Have you ever trusted someone who smiled at you every day, but secretly wished for your failure? Today's story is about two friends, David and Jack. Stay until the end because one simple conversation is changing their friendship forever. David and Jack are classmates. Every morning, they are walking to school together. They are talking about homework, laughing at funny jokes, and helping each other with their studies. Everyone believes they are best friends. David is trusting Jack with everything. Whenever he has a problem, he is sharing it with Jack. He thinks he has found a true friend. But Jack is hiding something. Whenever David is leaving the classroom, Jack is speaking differently. He is telling other students that David is showing off. He is saying that David only helps others because he wants attention. Some students are believing him. David knows nothing about it. One afternoon, David is returning to the classroom to pick up his notebook. As he is walking past the door, he hears Jack talking. Jack is laughing. "He is trusting me so much," Jack says. "He doesn't know what I am saying about him." David stops walking. He is standing silently outside the classroom. His heart is beating fast. For the first time, he is seeing Jack's real face. Instead of getting angry, David quietly walks away. The next day, the teacher is announcing a science competition. David and Jack are working on the same team. David is preparing the project carefully. He is collecting information, making slides, and practicing his presentation. Jack is spending more time talking than working. Whenever the teacher is coming near, he is pretending to be busy. The teacher notices everything, but says nothing. Finally, competition day arrives. David is presenting the project confidently. The judges are asking questions, and he is answering them clearly. Jack is struggling because he hasn't prepared enough. After the competition, the teacher calls both students. She says, "Success is not only about talent, it is also about honesty. A real friend is encouraging you, not secretly hurting you." Jack lowers his head. He realizes that his behavior is costing him both a friend and the respect of others. After school, Jack walks over to David. "I am making a mistake," he says quietly. "I am sorry for everything." David listens carefully. "I can forgive you," he replies, "but trust is not returning in one day. It is growing slowly, just like a strong tree." Jack nods. He understands the lesson. From that day on, he starts changing his behavior. He is speaking honestly, helping others sincerely, and earning people's trust again. David is also learning an important lesson. Not everyone who smiles at you is your true friend. A real friend is respecting you, supporting you, and protecting your name, even when you are not there. Moral of the story? A hypocrite uses kind words to hide bad intentions, but a true friend is honest both in front of you and behind your back.